student. So today our topic is explaining a skill. It is the skill of micro teaching. We find many people explaining different thoughts and problems in their daily life. Some understand in a better way while explaining by others. In a class, a teacher has to explain concepts, diagrams, situations, and thoughts. Explaining is an action skill in which the teacher tries to satisfy students' queries related to any principle, condition, situations, or view. To explain events, thoughts, the lesson has to use pictures or visual techniques. In this skill, there are some activities which make the explanation clear and effective, whereas there are some behavior which can reduce this effectiveness. You can take the screenshot and write it down in your micro teaching file. So there are types of explanation and components. So we are discussing the components. That first is beginning statement, then concluding statement, then explaining links, then question to test people understanding, and questions followed by correct people answer. And the last component is undesirable conditions or undesirable components. So here I am giving the example of explaining. A skill. You have to write the name of a student, teacher, then class, subject, topic, then date, time period and duration. Objective is to practice the skill of explaining. So from where we start the explaining a skill. So here our beginning statement, like students, you have to tell me the difference between a living thing and a non-living thing. Students giving no response. Then living things can move from place to place, whereas non-living things do not. So living things can respire, whereas non-living things do not. Students are listening carefully. That is our beginning statement. Then plants respire through leaf, whereas fishes respire through gills. It is the explaining links. As we are using the explaining skill, so we are linked one after another, that human beings respire through lungs. Now we are asking the question using the component QTPV, that now tell me, what do we call the process of taking respire by human beings? Students are giving answer that the process is respiration. So we are following the next component of explaining skill, that is QFCPR, questions followed by a pupil response. So what is respiration? Asked by teacher again. So student, it is intake of oxygen. Now the explaining link is, so respiration is the process of inhalation of oxygen and exhalation of carbon dioxide. Again we are using the explaining link. The oxygen from the air is taken into the lungs, where it is exchanged with carbon dioxide that is given out of the body through the exhalation. Now again I am asking the question using the component QTPV, that what are the two events of respiration? So student response is inspiration and expiration. Now again the question followed by the people response, that name the organs involved in respiration process. So students are giving the answer: nostril, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi and lungs. Now our concluding statement. So today we have seen about the process of respiration. In the next class we will see about the circulatory system. Thank you student. Now our observation table, that is teacher behavior observation schedule. Here the component tally, marks and frequency. So beginning statement used only one time, so frequency is 1, and concluding statements is also only one time used, so frequency is 1. Now explaining a skill, questions to test people understanding and question followed by correct people answer. You have student teacher signature and then teacher signature. Thank you. If you like the video, please comment, share and subscribe my channel. And if you want more lessons, then please comment below me.